drivers. 3 hair-raising courses from the world of racing. And you, riding shotgun. This year, 5 new contestants. Drive faster, fly farther, and face the fear of the unexpected. It's the ultimate competition of physical and mental endurance. And all for a 1 in 5 shot at $25,000. From the racing mecca at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway, I'm Rutledge Wood. Welcome to Shotgun. I like the swagger.
Oh, yeah. Ready as it's gonna get.
Here we go. Welcome to the Las Vegas Motor Speedway. Where we are right now, this is the home of the 2018 NASCAR Cup Series playoffs. Round 1 starts right here. Are you guys ready for everything that's about to be thrown at you?
Yeah.
Good, because I've got 3 professional drivers who can't wait to take you for a ride. Not to mention, go really fast.
That's cool.
There's 3 rounds. Answer more questions correctly than your fellow contestants, and you move on to the next round. Survive all 3 rounds, and you'll walk away with a shotgun prize of $25,000. You guys ready to race?
Let's go.
Well, then let's get the first car out here. The car, the specially modified 2018 Toyota Camry Pace car with an AEM racing intake system and a TRD performance exhaust, boosting this 3.5-liter V6 to 301 horsepower. And with 170-mile-per-hour high-speed rated tires and StopTech 4-piston high-performance brakes, this Camry is primed for the Shotgun GT. This is my friend and NBC colleague, NASCAR driver Parker Kligerman.
Hi, I'm Parker Kligerman. I drive in NASCAR and I drive in the Truck Series. I'm afraid of heights. I don't like roller coasters, but driving, no. Hey, it's all about speed. I just like going fast.
And he'll get that speed on this Serpentine GT road course with 1,000-foot straightaway, chicanes, and a very special detour.
I think the best advice I can give you is don't freeze up. So I'm going to do my best to make you freeze up.
Oh, man.
They should expect the unexpected, right?
Expect the unexpected. All right, so for the first round, here's how it's going to work. I'm going to give you 6 different categories of trivia. You're going to pick 3, and the fun starts there. You guys head to the Dream Racing Lounge. Bevan, you're up first. Parker, let it rip, brother. All right, good luck.
Okay.
Shotgun.
What do you think he meant by expecting unexpected?
They're just getting in your head, you guys. It's gonna be fine.
I feel like the real anxiety and everything, sweats and everything's gonna come like right when I get in the car.
That driver's going to scare us. It's going to be the driver, not the car.
Do you think he's going to be scary on purpose?
Yes.
Do you think he's going to mess with us?
He's going to try to get you to throw up.
I'm so glad you get to go first.
This is going to be the craziest thing I've ever done in my life. My name is Bevan, originally from Miami, Florida, and I'm a personal trainer. I love doing like social dares, so I'm really excited to see what happens in this car, if it just comes out of me, or if I'm like, ah, the whole time.
Bevan, if you need to hurl, don't do it on Parker. He borrowed that driving suit.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
All right, Bevan, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go for things you should know. If the sun sets behind you, what direction are you facing? East. Correct. How many time zones are there in the United States?
3.
Incorrect. If you're Dutch, what country do you come from?
Deutschland!
Incorrect. Pure Pop, at what event did Left Shark make his first appearance?
Pass, pass.
What viral video fad has people posing motionless?
Oh my God, mannequin challenge, mannequin challenge.
Correct. Which singer's real name is Stephanie Joanne Angelina Germanotta?
Ah, pass, I don't know.
Next, who done it? Who is the only president to have appeared on the cover of Playboy magazine?
Obama.
Incorrect. Who was the first Secretary of the Treasury to inspire a Broadway musical?
Oh, pass, pass.
That's time.
This is so awesome. I am so happy.
That was the greatest thing. I want to go faster.
Were you nervous at all?
At the beginning, I want to cry and die and bury myself.
And then we started, like, just so much stuff that I'm like, oh, yeah, I need to do this.
How'd it go?
You made it.
How, did you scream? How bad did you scream?
You know, I don't know. I can't remember. My name's Sam. I'm from Palm Springs, California. I'm a high school English teacher, and I'm 31. I'm totally a daredevil. I have gone skydiving. I like to try new things all the time. If I can try it once, I will. I'm gonna do great. I'm gonna get through the first round. I'm gonna get through the second round. You don't have to run faster than the bear. You just have to run faster than the other people with you.
All right, Sam, here we go.
Oh, we're not going fast yet, all right?
In 3,
No, no,
2,
no, 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 no,
go! First up, Pure Pop. At what event did Left Shark make his first appearance?
Pass.
What viral video fad has people posing motionless?
Mannequin challenge.
Correct. Which singer's real name is Stephanie Joanne Angelina Germanotta?
Lady Gaga.
Correct. Things you should know. If the sun sets behind you, what direction are you facing?
Facing east.
Correct. How many time zones are there in the United States?
Pass.
If you're Dutch, what country do you come from?
Denmark.
Incorrect. The great outdoors, what do honeybees collect?
Pollen.
Correct. What is a male sheep called?
A ewe.
Incorrect. That's time. Coming up, the final races of round 1. And then, Shotgun goes airborne. And later, it's a sound like no other. We're at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway, where 5 contestants are sitting shotgun for $25,000. Bevan and Sam are on the board in round 1. Next up is Joseph, Rob, and Tress.
You got this.
I'm Joseph. I'm 26 years old. I'm from Memphis, Tennessee, and I'm a social media coordinator. It would mean so much to win $25,000 because I could go and fly my ass to see Britney Spears and just live. I'm more nervous about the questions than I am the car. I'm just afraid that I'm going to puke.
Joseph, are you nervous at all?
I'm nervous. I'm really, really nervous. I don't know why it just hit me now.
All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Things you should know. If the sun sets behind you, what direction are you facing?
Up, down.
Incorrect. How many time zones are there in the United States?
I pass.
If you're Dutch, what country do you come from?
Germany.
Incorrect. Pure Pop. At what event did Left Shark make his first appearance?
Super Bowl.
Correct. What viral video fad has people posing motionless?
Pass.
Which singer's real name is Stephanie Joanne Angelina Germanotta?
Lady Gaga.
Correct. Who done it? Who is the only president to have appeared on the cover of Playboy magazine?
Donald Trump.
Correct. Who was the first Secretary of the Treasury to inspire a Broadway musical?
Hamilton.
Correct. What U.S. president was in office when the Berlin Wall came down?
Reagan.
Incorrect. That's time. Joseph, nice work.
Thank you.
name is Rob. I'm 28 from Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm a bartender. So don't take it easy on me, man.
All right, Rob, are you ready?
Dude, I'm ready. Let's go. Let's fire it up. This is Vegas. I'm from Vegas. We're at the Vegas Motor Speedway. I'm going to hold down my home turf. I'm not going to let anyone from California come in here and win this game on me. There's no way.
You nervous at all?
Dude, my legs are shaking. I don't even care. I'm trying to win some money. Let's go.
All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go, sports talk. Who is the only athlete to play in both the World Series and Super Bowl?
Barry Sanders.
Incorrect. What does the L stand for in LPGA?
Ladies.
Correct. What is the name of the scandal that Tom Brady was involved with in 2015?
The Flake Gate.
Correct. Pure Pop, at what event did Left Shark make his first appearance?
Pass.
What viral video fad has people posing motionless?
Pass.
Which singer's real name is Stephanie Joanne Angelina Germanata?
Oh, my God. Rihanna.
Incorrect. Things you should know. If the sun sets behind you, what direction are you facing?
West.
Incorrect. How many time zones are there in the United States?
4.
Incorrect. That's time.
Oh, my God. Ugh.
How was it?
Oh, my legs are shaking.
World Series, Super Bowl, only player to play in both?
It's Barry Sanders.
You got the last name right.
What?
Dion.
Damn.
Right? Listen, here's good news. You're on the board. Let's just hope that's enough to get you in the next round.
Hopefully, man.
Nice work. You survived.
I did.
Look at those legs.
Hi, I'm Tress, and I'm originally from Charlotte, North Carolina. I am currently an event operator, and I am 43. But don't tell anyone. It is a secret. I'm ready.
Tress, are you nervous at all?
I am. I was thinking with the money, I want to take my mom on a first-class trip to Paris, and it's definitely going to be kind of my travel fun. Is the driver ready?
Okay, Tress, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. First up, Pure Pop. At what event did Left Shark make his first appearance?
Left shark? Pass.
What viral video fad has people posing motionless?
Oh, the mannequin challenge.
Correct.
Woo!
Which singer's real name is Stephanie Joanne Angelina Germanata?
Lady Gaga.
Correct. Where is it? What U.S. state is closest to the old Soviet Union?
What U.S.? Alaska.
Correct. What city does the cartoon family The Simpsons live in?
Springfield.
Correct. How many states does Nevada border?
4.
Incorrect. Things you should know. If the sun sets behind you, what direction are you facing?
If the sun sets east.
Correct. How many time zones are there in the United States?
3 time zones.
Incorrect. That's time.
Woo!
Look at you guys. Everybody survived.
We did. Yeah.
What did you think? Any big surprises?
Yeah. The wall.
I can't. It's hard to concentrate on the question when that's happening. You're going through a wall.
You bet it is. You know, you're not supposed to do that at home with your Camry, but when you got a, professional driver at the wheel going through a fake wall, it's a pretty fun time. The bad news is we're at the end of round 1, which means one of you has to go home now. Coming up, who will advance to round 2 and face the punishment of a high-flying wrecking machine? Then later, the final 3 are shotgunned at 180 miles per hour. Welcome back to Shotgun. 5 contestants have endured the harrowing Shotgun GT in round 1. But only 4 scores continue to round 2. So, why don't we start with the person that got the most points? With 5 correct answers, person moving on to the next round is Tress.
Oh my God, for real?
Tress, congratulations, you're moving on.
Thank you.
Yes.
Next up, we've got Joseph. You got 4 correct.
Nice.
And so did Sam.
Oh my God! We made it to another day!
Yeah, that leaves us with you two. Only 4 of you can move on to the next round. Bevan, you got 2 correct.
I'm so smart.
Rob, you also got 2 correct.
What?
Which is why I asked you a tiebreaker question at the end of the round. How many inches in a mile?
20,000.
And Rob, you answered
200,000.
the correct answer is 63,360. Bevan, you are moving on. Rob, I am so sorry you have been eliminated. Rob, you gave it your all. We appreciate you playing, man.
All right, man. It was fun. Thank you.
See ya.
Right now, I'm pretty disappointed. He told me not to freeze and froze the second it happened. I didn't know I could get that scared, and apparently I know how to panic.
Congratulations, you are moving on to the next round of shotgun, which puts you 1 step closer to the grand prize of $25,000. As the sun sets in Las Vegas, so it does for Rob. With Bevan, Joseph, Sam, and Tress moving to round 2 and a new day in the desert. Good morning. How's everybody feeling? Good. You guys ready?
Oh my God.
Welcome to Las Vegas Motor Speedway's off-road course where they run part of the Baja 1000 time trials. This place has a lot of speed, a lot of jumps, and a lot of air time.
Wait, airtime?
Yeah, is anybody afraid of flying?
In a plane? No.
In a car, yes. This next driver, his whole plan is to keep you in the air as long as possible. No. Yeah, get ready for this. Oh, this is my favorite part. The car, a custom Toyota ProLite race truck, handcrafted tube chassis, Rancho Performance racing transmission, a powerful 410 horsepower Tundra V8 engine with a 4-fan cooling system, 16-inch forged beadlock wheels with 32-inch tires, and Icon race shocks with a whopping 12 inches of travel in the front and 14 in the rear. All in, this truck is made for punishment on the ground and distance in the air of over 75 feet. Like riding a roller coaster.
Oh, God.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Lucas Oil Off-Road Racer, Mr. Eric Barron, back for his second season of Shotgun.
I'm Eric Barron. I race the Pro 4 category in the Lucas Oil Off-Road Series. This year is going to be really cool because we're going to put them up in the air.
And he'll be getting his frequent flyer miles on this pro track with a blitzkrieg of 6 jumps, including 2 huge tabletops and the terrifying blind hill. When I wanted you to come in and go big, you went huge. So, season 1, Eric was so good in the truck that it made contestants forget their names. Yeah, this is huge. Why don't you go get ready? I'd say be easy on them, but you know I don't mean that.
We'll make it good.
Go big.
All right.
So for you guys, here's how we're gonna do it this round. Instead of asking questions, I'm gonna ask you for lists. I'll give you 6 categories. You pick 3, and I'm gonna give everyone the same one in addition. Why don't you guys head back to the tent? Tress, you're up first.
I've been off-roading with my husband for 16 years. I'm gonna win the round, and I'm gonna take home the 25 grand.
This is gonna be awesome. Hold on to your hats.
I'm like, I go first and I'm scared out of my mind.
You just have to remember to keep your hands inside the
can't
truck.
stand that. You gotta sit in somebody's
The thing is, I'm just trying to prepare you. If that truck rolls, your hands flail out, you know,
I'm really nervous. you're strapped in and like you see all the safety gear and they're like, don't do this, don't do that. And you're like,
All right, Tress, you ready for this?
Yes, I'm ready!
Yeah, girl. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. First one, pop culture. Name as many DC comic characters as you can.
Superman! Wonder Woman! The Green Lantern! The Green Hornet! Batman! Robin!
Geography is the next one. State names that end in the letter A. Go.
Alabama! Arizona! Arizona!
Third one is Vegas. Name as many Las Vegas table games as you can.
Blackjack! Texas Hold'em! Punch-Out Poker! Roulette! P9!
That's time. Yeah, girl, nice work.
Woo!
How was it?
it was amazing. And then I was like, oh, wait, what are these questions? I was like, I didn't even think about that. I feel like based on the amount of points I could have gotten, I didn't get that many points.
And you survived.
That's surprised.
Nice work.
All right. I always feel like people have done better than me because I'm just disappointed in like what I did. Like I always feel like I do better. I'm just gonna try to think positive.
The other rounds, I was really scared and nervous. I almost like passed out when I saw the cards. I was holding on to Joseph's arm, like he felt my heart on his elbow, like a hummingbird. I'm gonna scream my head off.
$25,000 could be yours. Are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. First category, pop culture. Name as many DC comic characters as you can.
Superman, Batman, Robin, the Green Lantern, Catwoman, Wonder Woman, Batwoman.
Next category, food. Name as many kids' cereal mascots as you can.
Trix, the Rabbit, Tony the Tiger, Lucky.
Next category, Vegas. Name as many Las Vegas table games as you can.
Hey, Blackjack, Poker, Russian Roulette, 21.
That's time. Yeah, girl, nice work.
Yeah.
What did you think of the jumps?
I loved it. I only felt that once when I drove over a median in Miami. This was so much better than that. Like,
One step closer to that grand prize.
one giant leap for little Bevan.
Let's hope it's enough.
Thank you, man.
Coming up, it's Joseph and Sam's turn to play in the dirt. And then, Shotgun goes all in at the Super Speedway with pro driver Chris Bell and 900 horses of pure NASCAR. Welcome back to Shotgun. Tress and Bevan are on the board and can only hope that either Joseph or Sam stumble out of the game.
Going through my mind right now is a little bit of shock, a little bit of anticipation, and then adding your stress. But I think it's just like everything is going through my mind.
All right, Joseph, you ready for this? You just need to get one step closer to $25,000.
Let's do it!
Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. First category, pop culture. Name as many DC comic characters as you can.
Oh my gosh, Batman, Superman, Green Lantern, Wonder Woman, Catwoman, Penguin, Joker, Spider-Man.
Next category, food. Name as many kids' cereal mascots as you can.
Tony the Tiger, Lucky, Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, the Trix Bunny, we got Count Dracula, we got, oh my gosh, man,
What do you mean?
Next category, Vegas. Name as many Las Vegas table games as you can.
Oh my gosh, 21, crap, blackjack, war, Russian roulette, big six, Uno.
That's time. Nice work. How was it?
This adrenaline and everything that was going through me was insane, and the things that I should have known, I didn't know.
That first time you went over a blind hill, what did you think?
I didn't know what was going to happen.
Fear that the thing's going to roll over, but you just got to trust. Gave a little bit of trust, but...
You survived. I'm proud of you.
I did.
The other contestants came on and they were so nervous, but I felt nothing but excitement to get started with this thing. At this point, I feel like nothing can faze me. I'm so excited. I just want to make my kids proud. If I win the $25,000, I'm going to go on a lot of trips.
All right, Sammy, you ready for this?
I'm ready!
25 grand on the line. Get ready. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. First category, animals. Name as many breeds of dogs from the American Kennel Clubs as you can.
Pit Bull, Staffordshire, Chihuahua, Golden Shepherd, Golden Retriever, Labrador, Poodle, that's all right. Woo! Yay!
Next category, food. Name as many kids' cereal mascots as you can.
All right, you got Tony the Tiger. You got, Toucan Sam, the rabbit. I can't remember him. Woo! Yes!
Next category, Vegas. Name as many Las Vegas table games as you can.
There is blackjack, there is poker, there is roulette, there is Keno, there is... Woo! Yes!
That's time.
So good!
I gotta admit, that was really fun to watch. Here's the deal. I love all 4 of you. I think you're great. But there's only room for 3, so here's what we're gonna do. The top 3 scores are moving on. One of you's going home. Let's start at the top. Safe with 14 points, Joseph.
Damn right I'm gonna make it to the next round. I mean, Brittany's waiting for me. We gotta do it. We gotta do it.
Congratulations, you're one step closer. Next up, with 13 points, Tress.
Oh my God! Oh my God, I'm totally stumped. Okay, this is real. This is real, so. Whew.
Which leaves us with you two. Bevan, you got 11 points. Sam, you got 11 points.
Oh, my God!
Another tiebreaker.
Coming up, NASCAR comes to Vegas for the final round and $25,000 as Shotgun goes supersonic. 2 rounds of Shotgun race action have led to this. Who will advance to the finals for a shot at $25,000?
Bevan, you got 11 points. Sam, you got 11 points.
Oh, my God!
Another tiebreaker.
If I get eliminated based on this round, I'm gonna be so bummed out because this is the one that I feel the most confident on. And so if I get eliminated, it's gonna be a hard pill to swallow.
And my tiebreaker question was, how many seconds are in a day? Bevan, you said 18,000. Sam, you said 3,000. The correct answer is 86,400. Somehow, for a second tiebreaker, Bevan, you have done it. You are moving on. Sam, I am so sorry. Your shotgunning is done.
Hi, Sam.
I didn't bring home the money, but I got to show my kids that you can have great experiences. I knocked off a bucket list item, If it wasn't going to be me walking away with the $25,000, they've all got good hearts, so I'm happy it goes to one of them.
With Sam's truck left in the dust, it's Bevan, Joseph, and Tress making the big jump into the final round.
So, it all comes down to you three. One of you is going to leave here with the grand prize of $25,000. So, the real question is, are you guys ready to go fast?
Yes, so fast.
Yes. I wonder what we could put you in. Oh, I know. It's this.
The car, a 2018 Toyota Camry Cup car. This state-of-the-art stock car has a steel tube frame design, a 4-speed manual transmission, 11.5-inch race slicks, and a monstrous 358 cubic inch, 900 horsepower V8 TRD engine with a top speed of over 200 miles per hour.
Now that's an entrance right there. Allow me to introduce pro driver from Sprint Cars, NASCAR Truck Series, Xfinity Series, you name it, this guy can wheel it, Mr. Christopher Bell. Hey. What's up, brother?
How are you guys? My name is Christopher Bell. I've been racing my whole life. I started whenever I was 6 years old, and I'm currently 22. The fastest I've ever gone was probably 210 miles an hour. Don't get scared too much. There's no need to worry.
His track today is the 1.5-mile Super Speedway Oval, with 20-degree banks producing a seat-slamming 3Gs and blistering speeds of 180 miles per hour.
I know you've given a lot of ride-alongs, but never in a pro cup car like this with a 2-seat, right?
First time for me.
This isn't just some show car. No, this thing's done 200 miles an hour at Daytona. What do you think today? Maybe 180?
I think so.
You know, we just build you up a little bit more, and then boom, look who shows up to scare the hell out of you. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, Christopher, why don't you get suited up, strapped in. Now, for you guys, for this final round, I'm going to give you 6 categories. You're going to pick 3. Whoever gets the most correct is going to win the shotgun grand prize of $25,000. You guys head to the Dream Racing Lounge. Bevan, you're up first. Chris, get this sucker warmed up, brother. Good luck, you're gonna need it.
This is so dramatic. 2 ties. Like, what is, like...
Tiebreaker again. Again.
I don't know. Killing the tiebreaker game.
That's what I thought.
Oh, my
and I
gosh.
was like,
That's what
oh, my
makes me
gosh.
nervous.
What are you going to do with the money if you get it?
See Brittany? I want to see her. I want to meet Brittany.
Meet and
That's
greet.
my biggest thing, a meet and greet.
No lie, win or lose, this is the best day of my life.
All right, baby.
Numero uno.
I'm gonna go 6 G's fast for 20 G's cash.
25 G's.
25. Well, after taxes.
I got you. Get out
Good
there.
I'm a little petrified / really excited. I've been called the cockroach of shotgun. When the dust settles, I'm still standing.
Okay, Bevan, here's what's gonna happen. You guys are gonna go around the track. You're gonna build up speed. Once you hit the start-finish line, I'm gonna begin asking you questions.
Okay.
Are you ready? There's 25 grand on the line.
Yeah.
All right, Bevan, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Now, if you're wondering, that's what 900 horsepower feels like.
Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, my God, what are we supposed to walk for?
We're gonna start when you guys hit the start-finish line.
Okay.
All right, Bevan, here we go. In 3, 2,
1, go. In the kitchen, pink or blue, which color is Himalayan sea salt?
Pink, pink.
Skirt or kilt, which one is a cut of meat?
Skirt state.
In the spotlight, Kylie Jenner or Kendall Jenner, which sister dated rapper Tyga?
Kylie.
Call Me Maybe or Gangnam Style, which song was released first?
Call me maybe.
In Style, Push Up or Sit Up, which is a line of Victoria's Secret bras?
Push up.
Levi or Gap, who created blue jeans?
Levi.
That's time. Hey, you did great. You guys are coming in. I'm going to ask you a tiebreaker question, okay?
Copy.
As of 2016, how many hotel rooms are there in Las Vegas?
780,000.
Nice work.
You good?
I'm good.
How was it?
right?
Was it exciting?
Oh, you're gonna hold. Just wait.
You look like
Just
Lucy.
wait. Ricky!
You look so good.
Tress, you ready for this?
Ready? You're gonna be speechless.
The
You're gonna
road
be
is
speechless.
calling you.
$25,000. I'm really nervous. It's crazy. It's crazy. We're gonna be going so fast.
This is Charlotte.
There we go, Tress. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, yeah. Woo! Yes!
How you feeling? You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go for it. In 3, 2, 1. In the spotlight, Kylie Jenner or Kendall Jenner, which sister dated rapper Tyga?
Kylie Jenner.
Call Me Maybe or Gangnam Style, which song was released first?
Call me maybe.
In Style, Push Up or Sit Up, which is a line of Victoria's Secret bras?
Push up.
Levi or Gap, who created blue jeans?
Levi.
On the field, love or deuce, which one means 0 in tennis?
Love.
Green or gold, what color jacket do you get for winning the Masters?
Green.
That's time. Your tiebreaker question. As of 2016, how many hotel rooms are there in Las Vegas?
20,000.
Nicely done, Tress. Coming up, the shotgun storm pushes into the night as Joseph straps in for his final race. Who? Final round of shotgun. Bevan and Tress are on the board, and now it's Joseph in the spotlight for $25,000.
I was so nervous. Right when that helmet went on, the anxiety just kicked through. I started sweating through the gloves. I was nerve-wracking just getting in the car.
How you feeling? You ready?
I'm ready.
In 3, 2, 1, go. In the spotlight, Kylie Jenner or Kendall Jenner, which sister dated rapper Tyga?
Kylie Jenner.
Call Me Maybe or Gangnam Style, which song was released first?
Call me maybe.
In Style, Push Up or Sit Up, which is a line of Victoria's Secret bras?
Push up.
Levi or Gap, who created blue jeans?
Levi.
On the Strip, Bugsy or Capone, which mobster is credited with developing Las Vegas?
DeVoe.
Penn or Teller, which one doesn't speak during performances?
Teller.
That's time. Okay, here we go for the tiebreaker. Okay. As of 2016, how many hotel rooms are there in Las Vegas?
267,000.
Nice work, Joseph.
Oh. Going so fast was pretty awesome. Then since I got to go last, it's nighttime with the sun setting, so that's even cooler. Like, come on.
I did better score-wise. I mean, that's what I think in my head, but I don't know if I did better amongst everybody else.
Hey, guys! Pretty appropriate. We're here at the finish line. What'd you think of the track?
Insane.
Oh my
Crazy.
God. Awesome.
How'd 180 miles an hour feel?
We made
So
180?
You guys
insane.
did 180.
Oh my God.
Well, only one of you can leave here with that grand prize of $25,000. So, let's start with Bevan. You got 6 correct answers.
Oh my gosh.
Man,
Joseph, you got 5 correct answers. Tress, last but not least, you got 6 correct.
Oh my gosh.
Which means we have another tie.
Are we sure? I'm still here? Like, okay.
She's a tiebreaker queen. I just lost.
Which is why I asked, as of 2016, how many hotel rooms are there in Las Vegas? Bevan, the tiebreaker queen, said
780,000.
Tress, you said
20,000!
the correct answer is 149,339. Tress, you win. Congratulations! You just won 25 grand.
I beat the tiebreaker queen!
Oh my God, how can it come down to a tie, for the love of God?
Somehow, you all 3 so close the entire game, and it came down to this.
I was thinking with the money, I want to take my mom on a first-class trip to Paris. It was awesome! I did this for Charlotte, North Carolina. I brought home Shotgun. I had to make my hometown proud, and I did it for Charlotte.
Booyakasha! Hey, good game. Good game. You guys.
Thank you, Red Lizard.
Good game.
See ya! It's crazy. This is crazy. I just want Shotgun.
That's how you ride shotgun.